In the ever-growing city of Bengaluru, where people, infrastructure and roads flourish, there exists a stark scarcity: water. Once celebrated for its over 1,000 lakes, this vibrant city now faces a severe water shortage. Excessive rainfall has worsened the situation, leading to frequent flooding, while deeper bore wells have become alarmingly common. Reports suggest that the city could exhaust its groundwater completely by 2047. So, what can we do to tackle the acute water crisis? Medushree Developers has partnered with the Groundwater Company to address this pressing issue. Together, we aim to solve the worsening water crisis and ensure all our projects are water positive. How do we do it? It begins with a detailed GI water survey conducted over 45 days to assess the underground nervous system and the health of the surface. This survey identifies the aquifer's storage potential. After assessing the potential, we employ advanced AI/ML methods such as geospatial mapping, satellite analysis, flow track modeling, aquifer gridding, and porosity modeling. These techniques help us identify specific surface points, sponge zones that are ideal for the easy percolation of water. Traditionally, open pits are indeed used for groundwater recharge, but they can reach a saturation limit, limiting their effectiveness. To overcome this limitation, we install pipes at depths ranging from 10 to 50 feet in sponge zones to efficiently capture surface water and improve water infiltration into the aquifer with desilting measures in place. Due to cloud bursts, significant waterlogging is occurring across the city because of the lack of a proper water percolation system. To address this issue, Medushree has adopted advanced technology. With the implementation of sponge zones, water will percolate effectively through the absorption system, ensuring that waterlogging is avoided. Our sponge zones can absorb up to 500 mm of rainfall per hour for each square meter. How effective are these methods? For the average water needs of a housing community of 100 units, each housing unit requires close to 300 litres per day. The total daily water requirement would be 100 units, 30,000 litres. Each unit will need approximately 9,000 litres per month and 1,08,000 litres per year. Our water harvesting system, built to precision, collects as much as 3 times more water than necessary per unit. On a broader level, the impact is much more significant. Even with the current rainfall, or up to 3 times more, no Medushree project will experience waterlogging or flooding. This is because the technology we have adopted is robust enough to handle such conditions. Groundwater availability can go up by 8 times. Pumping and drilling costs, which occur due to lack of groundwater availability, will come down by up to 70%. Reduction of power usage by up to 48%, that would also lead to reduced carbon emissions by 2 times. Medushree Developers is committed to do its part in taking conscious actions to creating spaces responsibly. Actions that uphold the belief in living harmoniously as a part of Mother Earth with a serious dedication to rainwater harvesting. By implementing innovative solutions for rainwater harvesting and groundwater management, we are not just addressing today's challenges, but ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. Our efforts in rainwater harvesting reflect our unwavering commitment to environmental stewardship and community well-being.